He's playing hide and seek.
Go find Kayla. Oh, you gotta get your ball. Go find Kayla.
Buddy, where's Kayla? Can you find Kayla? Where did Kayla go? Can you find her?
Where's she at, buddy?
Where's she at? Did you find her? Where is she, buddy?
Where's she at? She's not down there, buddy, no. Where's she at?
He says, I smell her. She's around here. Buddy, where's Kayla?
Where's Kayla?
He says, I know she's in there. I just can't seem to locate her. There she is. Did you get her? Yay! That's a good boy. There's a good boy. Yay! He's so happy. See him the tail of the wagon. Buddy, you want some food? Where's your food? Huh?
Why is he staring at Carrie?
Where's Kayla?
Hey.
Carrie's gonna get your food.
No, I'm not. Your ball's
Yes,
right
she
there.
is. Kayla's gonna get your food, buddy. Let Carrie get it. Is it empty? What you calling it?
Can I have it? If you do it quick, you don't notice.
Are you still scared of him?
No.
Buddy, I think she's scared of you just a little. What you gonna do with it?
Trip. Trip. Yeah.
You're so funny, buddy.
That's your ball.
You're so funny. Merry Christmas. Uh-oh.